Hello my good people and welcome back to my channel. Today I am excited to show you this wig from RoyalMe. So in the box they sent me nails, clips and nail glue as well to do the nails. This is the wig here. Beautiful. Oh, one of my favorite wigs, one of my all-time favorite wigs. So it is I think it's called a U or L part wig. I'm gonna have to update that below, guys, don't worry. However, look at this wig. It's gorgeous. Look at the hairline. I have not plucked, I have not bleached, I have done nothing to this wig, just straight out of the box. Oh guys, if I was a hairstylist, I would have slayed this wig. Like, I would have done justice to this wig. However, I'm just a beginner friendly stay at home mom. No, but yeah, this wig is so beginner friendly, it's unbelievable. You don't have to do anything, and I didn't do anything and just cut the lace and straighten the hair. So this is a yaki texture wig. Oh, hi guys, this is me. Yes, she is bold. So this is how I do the back of my wigs. I always tighten it to make sure it's nice and tight. So just look how flat that lace is. Oh, it's giving me life, this wig, guys, right? Actually, all of their wigs, I've actually noticed that they're just beautiful. Okay, so got to be spray, and it literally took 5 minutes, guys, to basically lay this on my head. I realized when the lace is nice and thin, then it just helps it just melt in much better than a thicker lace. I hate those thick lace or thick knots or whatever. So yeah, I'm using a hairdryer this time. Usually I do a fan. I kind of regret this because it did make the glue kind of like dry, kind of like white, as you can see, and it was very like shiny as well. However, we're gonna try and do some baby hairs here, guys, and see what happens, because I hate doing baby hairs. Okay, so hot comb is out and I am flattening the top and just straightening out just a tiny bit more at the top as well where the parting is. But yeah, oh my gosh, I just love the lace of this wig. It's honestly one of my top favorites, and I have reviewed hundreds of wigs, guys. One of my top favorite out of 100. Okay, so I straightened out the hair, put a bit of makeup on. Time to catfish, ladies. It's time to catfish. Yes. But yeah, guys, this is the end of the video. All of the hair details will be below. Just look how easy and fast that took me to style, because I can't style wigs at all. I did kind of put some waves at the end. You'll see it after, but this is the straight look. And what I did is go in with some literally 5-minute waves just to see how it would curl up. And if I sat there for an hour, trust me, that would have banged. However, time scale, guys, time scale. But yeah, these are some of the curls anyways. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.